Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building. And if you're looking for a dope VPN, check out NordVPN Plus anti-malware protection, okay? I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description for y'all to check that out. Enjoy threat protection, block trackers and malware. Get 2 years of reliable VPN service for $3.29 a month. Get into it, y'all. Peace. Yo, look at this. I cannot believe this. Once again, Rolex. Yeah. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, and we are back in the building with another video. And right now, we have a special treat for y'all. We're gonna be unboxing the Exciton 2 automatic dive watch. You know what I'm saying? From the guys James and Gary in the building. You know what I mean? I just received this package in the mail, and I thought, why not unbox it for y'all? Let y'all check out what they got going on. So right here you see me, of course, taking off all the plastic of this piece, and from looking at it through the plastic, the watch actually looks pretty damn good. You know what I mean? I was really surprised when I got everything off of it. Okay, now we're gonna take the plastic off of the dial and then check out this dial. I think this dial is great. And as I was taking the plastic off, I made sure not to scratch any of the watch up, okay? Now look at that dial, check that out. You know what I'm saying, with the classic date window at the 3 o'clock position. You know, and then you have numerals at 6, 9, and 12, which I think could have been a little bit smaller, but that's being really, really picky. You know what I mean? Overall, I think the dial looks fabulous. It's like a matte black dial, you know? Now, what's awesome is that the specifications that you get in this watch, you definitely would think you would be paying a higher price for this piece. You know what I mean? For $290 US, what you're getting is you're getting the Miyota 915 movement, 28,800 BPHs. You're getting the sapphire crystal with AR coating, water resistance, 200 meters, luminescent BGW9, bezel insert, brushed ceramic. The dimensions are 38 by 10.7. And the lug is 44 millimeters, and the lug width is 20 millimeters, and they have drilled lug holes on the side of it. Now, what you getting in this watch, definitely they packed a lot into this watch. You know what I mean? I don't know how they did it, but it's remarkable. There are watches out there on the market right now where you're paying $300-400 and you don't even get a sapphire crystal. You know what I mean? But not only are you getting the sapphire crystal, you know, the Miyota 915 movement made by Citizen was made to compete with like the Swiss with the Salida movements and all that. So the 9015 is a pretty good movement, okay? Now, all this writing you see on the back of this watch, when I do the full review, we'll go over what all that means. And you just saw on the clasp, you got J&G on the clasp. It's a milk class, so you know you getting a lot for the money. And then this was really surprising. You have screw-in pins for the bracelet. Yo, where they do that at for $290? So you are definitely getting the power pack watch. You know what I mean? I had to size it a couple times. I think I took out like 3 links in order for it to fit my wrist. You know what I mean? So after all that was done, we was all good. And the tools that they sent with the watch too wasn't bad at all. You know, you got a screwdriver, you got a couple extra links. You know what I mean? You know, you got your handy dandy tool here, and they're not bad, they're not bad tools at all. So get into it, y'all. Yo, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for their Kickstarter. Support these guys. They are doing great freaking work. You know what I mean? I was honored to get one of these. You know what I mean? They showed up on the podcast and broke everything down. Y'all can go back and look at that podcast episode or listen to it. I'll put a link down in the description for that. But other than that, yo, not too many complaints about this watch. There are hollow links at the end, but you know, for $290 with all you getting in this watch, that is nothing to complain about. You know what I mean? And it's easier to change with the drill lug holes on the side, you know, so you can switch it up with a NATO. You know what I mean? And for my guys who like dive watches on leather straps, hey, do y'all, player. You understand? Now look at this thing on the wrist. This thing on the wrist is remarkable. I'm loving this. I'm feeling this. Again, shout out to James and Gary. You know what I'm saying? You guys did a great job with this watch. And much success to you both. All right, it's your boy P. Ross, and we about to be up out of here. Make sure y'all check out the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast in the building for sure. You know what I mean? We got a new episode coming out this week, so get into it. Peace.